Okay. Welcome back to my channel. This is a girl simply known as Obi, and today is Iwaji New Yam Festival here in Norway. Okay, so of course I am representing. Let me just go show you guys what I look like. So this clothes actually is from Nigeria. Where do you think it's going to be from? Nigeria, obviously. We know fashion. If you want fashion, hairstyle, entertainment, everything, just come to Nigeria. Okay, yeah. Even if you're living in the US, in the UK, Europe, anywhere around the world, come to Nigeria. They will teach you how to do this kind of hair, frontals, you know, different things. Yeah, so this is what I'm wearing. I'm going to type their handle if I can remember their handle. So I'm just putting on this. It's very stylish. This is a showcase. It's like a hair tie hair. And this is my hair. I've forgotten where I got it from. And I'm just putting it on with my leggings and my shoes. So that's what I look like, guys. And I'll see you guys when I get there. Just show you guys. I don't know how much I'm gonna get in the video, but I'll try my best, guys. I'm looking at, don't play with me, do not joke with me, because I love to represent. I love to represent, and I love the way I'm looking. I don't even know if I can get it more beautiful. Yeah, so
Mommy, I don't get my ready.
Okay, so this is what I look like, and yeah, loving it. Okay, and this is what Obina looks like. What is that? I don't know. It's not showing properly, but I'm sure as much as possible to show you. So guys, I'm in the area. This is the first time I'm actually coming to an occasion very fast, and I'm very proud of myself. This is my baby girl hair. This is someone sitting down pretty. Someone say hi. Hi. Hi, someone. So this is my girl sitting down pretty, and I'm actually proud of myself that I came early today. This is very much unlike me. Trust me, unlike me. I should have been late, but this time around I wasn't surprised actually that I'm not late. Like, I'm surprised that I'm not late. Usually I could be late, and I'm surprised today that I'm not late. I'm proud of myself. Chizitelo and Kurofma. Chizitelo and Obina. Obi Kurofma, come on again. Kurofma. Okay. Choose the keg. Can you want someone? Choose the side that I want someone. Bye. Choose the keg. Okay, I can show you that photo. Go on. So
What kind of this is that?
Sister, bien on a zone. Bien on a zone. So New Yam Festival 2025, and this is us. Came quite early. So I'm coming to your clothes very well.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 5th edition of Apex Men program, which is
Period.
which is also known as Iriji. That's it, correct?
Yeah, Iriji. Yeah.
Iriji, and I think with our friends, okay.
This boy, you not allow me to get you on camera. Why?
Yeah. hope we all gonna
No, what
have
that?
fun
They're
tonight. We are all going to. Oh, yeah, DJ, please. Let's have the music.
Came a bit early, like I said. I came quite early, and the program is yet to start, and I'm waiting for them to start. I'll show you guys the hall. Actually, the DJ is here. Actually, my husband and two of his friends are the ones organizing this, and I came quite early. First time I'm coming early for this program, and this is my girl. This is her. Someone camera. So this is her here, and the sister, you probably must have seen the sister in the background. She's running around. She's the sister is running around there. So this is the sister here, and this is Vivian.
Wait, the food is coming. Where? Mommy, get that.
She wouldn't stay on Abia. So guys, when the program starts, I'll start again with this video, because at the moment I need to, I don't know, do nothing. Well, maybe save the battery in my camera, but I have extra battery anyway, but I need to save it more, and I'll see you guys probably somewhere. So
Draw that we're going to be bringing out the prizes. So there are two ladies that are designated to sell the raffle tickets. One of them is standing up right now. Please, can you stand up? So, kitchen.
I
will say that again.
Oh my God.
Okay, now is the time for breaking of cola nuts, and I will accord a very special recognition and respect to anybody here who is a full-blooded Igbo man. If you are a full-blooded Igbo man,
okay,
I will hand the microphone over to you to say the prayer over the cola nuts. Who can help us?
okay.
Ndị bụ ọnọgwụ ebe a ndị echukwana mmadụ abaghị ya n'ile. Anyị bụkwa ndị Igbo ebe a. Ka ndị ọgbara ọkụ juru ebe a. Odogwu ofe egwu ka a na-eme. Gbagote. Ofe egwu ka a na-eme. Igbo nwere mmadụ. Una achọzi ka ife na-eme mmadụ ihe a. Igbo tetata Igbo kwenu!
time? You're late.
I know, I told them.
Okay, just go straight to the table and take your
Yes, I will.
Windows again, yeah. Doc,